In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix certificate error in Microsoft Edge. First, let's initiate the process by pressing the Windows key and the letter R simultaneously. When you do this, a small Run dialog box will appear on your screen. This is an important step because it allows you to access various system settings quickly. You will see a blank field ready for you to type in. This quick access can save you time, especially when resolving issues. Once you have pressed those keys, you can move on to the next step. Now in the Run dialog, type in the command inetcpl.cpl and then press the Enter key. This command opens the Internet Properties window. It is essential for troubleshooting various Internet-related problems, including certificate errors. You will notice that a new window pops up, displaying several tabs at the top, such as General, Security, and Content. Each of these tabs contains settings that can affect how your browser interacts with websites. Once you have this window open, we are ready to proceed further. Next, click on the Content tab located at the top of the Internet Properties window. This tab is crucial because it contains settings related to content and security that can affect your browsing experience. When you select it, you will see options for certificates, autocomplete, and more. This area allows you to manage various content settings and is particularly relevant when dealing with SSL issues. Once you have clicked on this tab, you are one step closer to resolving the certificate error. From there, look for the button labeled Clear SSL State within the Content tab and click on it. This action is vital because it clears the stored SSL certificates that may be causing conflicts. When you clear the SSL state, you are essentially resetting the stored data that your browser may be using to verify secure connections. This step can often resolve certificate errors and allow you to access websites without issues. Once you click this button, you will likely see a confirmation message indicating the SSL state has been cleared. Next, click the OK button to finalize the changes you just made. This confirmation is essential because it ensures that your modifications are saved properly. Without this step, the changes you made might not take effect, and you could continue to experience issues. After clicking OK, the Internet Properties window will close, and you will be ready to move forward in the troubleshooting process. Now it's time to restart Microsoft Edge to apply the changes you have made. Close the Edge browser completely and reopen it. This step is crucial because it allows the browser to reload its settings, including the cleared SSL state. When Edge restarts, it will operate with the new configurations, which may eliminate any lingering certificate errors you were experiencing. Take a moment to ensure that the browser is fully closed before reopening it. By following these steps, you should now be well equipped to handle certificate errors in Microsoft Edge. If you encounter any further issues, remember that troubleshooting can sometimes require a bit of patience. Keep in mind that each step you took is designed to help streamline your browsing experience. Always ensure your browser is up to date for the best performance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you resolve your certificate error in Microsoft Edge.